Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Just wanted to show you another option that you can utilize to create your KDP cover. So firstly, head over to Google and type in KDP cover size calculator. Once that comes up, select KDP cover calculator. It will take you to this page and you will notice that KDP has changed the look of the calculator and templates, right? So we're just simply going to select the relevant options for us. So I'm going to select paperback, standard color, white paper. Your page turn direction can either be left to right or right to left. I'm going to select left to right. Measurements, I'm going to leave it in inches. And the interior trim, well, this is more or less the size of the book that you are going to utilize. Last time I showed you for the 6 by 9 inches. This time I'm going to look at the 8.5 by 11 inches. So I'm just going to select that. The page count is very important for you to know when creating your cover template. All right, so I'm going to use 100. And then I'll say calculate dimensions. As you would see, KDP provides you with a full breakdown in terms of width and height for each area of your book cover, right? The margins, the spine, everything. So it makes it a little easier for you to understand where your information should not exceed. And once you are satisfied with this, you simply download the template. Now, once you've downloaded your template will go into your downloads folder. Now let's head over to Microsoft or Google, and they're going to search for Bookow. When you search for it, this would come up. So simply select on it. Right, once selected, it will take you to this page, right? This site helps to make the calculation process for all KDP size books easy. All right, so this is just another option available to calculate your cover templates when generating your KDP covers. So you select KDP cover template generator, and then we're going to select KDP cover size calculator. All you need to insert is the trim size width and the trim size height. For our purpose, it would be 8.5 by 11. Our page count is 100, and we're going to leave the paper type as white and say calculate. So you see, Bookow does all the calculation for us. We can see the size of the spine, the width, and the height. So if you are intending to create your own book or you're already on the self-publishing journey, you should utilize Bookow as it makes the cover template process so much easier because it provides you with the measurements needed in terms of pixels and inches to directly insert in Canva. That way your cover would not be rejected by KDP. So I definitely recommend you guys exploring Bookow further. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.